baby Yeboah Agyekum Francis will be a mon can't say when you miss call because Obe can't say me try Ghana for ni say we should skip breakfast.
One of the best breakfast ubetumi adi a ebi yare bebree and say skip breakfast.
But sounds Obe can you know another health practitioner say there be enya no kure that say nipa you must skip breakfast. DSMV also diabetes specialist nurse Obe clash with Yeboah Agyekum Francis on the issue of skipping breakfast. What is going on? Me man chire mo no chire wadwene area mame. Ewo comment section. How you penya broken that mess say di mo. Obe like video that my bonus subscribe button some back the key notification connect update some chire wadwene that mame. Ewo comment section. Oba so no je first onya bia hwe. O to first so share no be bia so e ho no mo at penya broken that we chire kwai. Na efure. Now let's go to the conversation. Media and so there's one gentleman, in fact, a very handsome guy. And he didn't Yeboah Agyekum Francis. At first, now or your baba, I know how to tongue hair going product. Open say treat a fool, treat a bubu near the answer. Open say unya nui a muya dunia the idea or tonton and honiama. Now recently, no Anna was starting my head tips on the internet, in fact, or starting your check. But an answer and shine abba. Now uko media and so Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, in fact. Nyame eyisu no ede ne adwuma pa on fire dey bia no akire mu no akire na ma de yare na eba aye
And me throw glycemic index or diabetes or pressure unya bimpo anama me bi na obi a video no yakasa glycemic index GI the patch na ne say on say yakasa man di asitire nti ma me yatu anuane bebra woni na mum ye wo nuane a asitire a ewom anasa asitire etimi eba omogem from say anuane no ene asitire which is glucose nankasa no almost the same and nti you have a glycemic index of that food nti who diabetes na si man di asitire utimi koto porridge na otoye no one first sugar go na mum udi ene bread white bread that bread has a very high glycemic index from 70 to 100 almost like the sugar or the glucose na one vangum no into ko hospital I want doctor na ka mame aduane e ka se man di no ugusu di na no di achinye say dog my new it's because the education has not gone very down with the layman who what the index is, and that is what I want to teach you guys today. Yeboah Agyekum Francis here. Glycemic index is just a number etre kwanya aduane bi raise blood sugar level. Glucose there na was so pa nti they compare glucose there nti aduane was 0 to 55 you can say low glycemic index food and no in peja sugar no cost at once sugar no release small nti entire how and they were from 55 now to 69 and also entire how now from 70 to 100 which is the maximum number no udia more or less like say what sugar pepper. Inti se waka so waje sugar di na ogusu di white bread so what diabetes so need diabetes so what pressure so need pressure na ogusu di pan white bread na eti se ogusu di sugar nkoma na me no obi di ye no waje sugar di na ogusu di corn flakes eti se wo san ogusu di sugar na ogusu di pineapple woni duduom ogusu di mango e woni duduom a eti se ogusu di sugar who diabetes, you say, a word here, ubedi sugar, the fadi a war, a very high glycemic index. Honey, a war. I dear be a talk at the massa out there. With candy, toffee. And no, yes, man, this sugar. Also, toffee the one more we gum. All these things contain high level of sugar. No, I mentioned them, and then they do no. How fast a bit call mojanum, a best spike or sugar level or mojanum. Then finally say, Obi di fufu start you, but fufu no be release kakra into Obi di fufu. Now would say pineapple I break a sipa. Or only a saver than you because fufu no has to break down as a quarter level no everybody mojamun. But when they would blood sugar straight. Now spike sugar no, a cost at once. So sugar no war in the range ya how so here glucometer and say sugar level no ABC normal but what the number cost patra the upper limb above foam say stay up for a very long time and that say insulin should stay up and insulin stay up for a very long time. Munim de ever to as a human being. Enti akase mo ni nuane bi na mom ti de enti ayi ni kwan so odi aduane na mo aye tuam se nuane na uguso a wo disie no so hom se wo bo amona media ne Yeboah Agyekum Francis share video na o ma me bi nsanka papa bi nsanka ya ye ba na bi a wo so bo ho ban ho pese obedi sugar kese no ye ka se fruit juice bi naturally made fruit juice obi di mango na di fruit juice or di mango no ahead of you in terms of health wise because mango no di still contains the fiber. Fruit juice na dey ya yam bibia asan kropo de preservatives kakrampo asum enye safe spiking sugar level no into what diabetes are fruit juice bia no ese okọ. I'm telling you this. Manko fruit juice bia ho, manko soda bia ho, manko soft drink coke fanta manko ho wonka ho what twem sa level no one no more dey awie no mo maka so no mo dey enti me my education will go very low to the layman na ye ma me mo yatua mo nuane bi esema mo ndi no mo ho dey enti esema mo ndi ebia wo bp ena yese ebia twe ho fi nuane potassium edoso wo ka potassium de ene wo bp ni boni bi anim because potassium ebo ama vessels near dilated so it's a vessel dilator dinka how na mom bp nro na oda so a wo nom no potassium bi wo ma wo sa wo kidney no filter into already wo pressure o kidney no is stressed into some kodi aduane wo high levels of potassium and I say what the extra pressure be go kidney no so kidney ent me am filter potassium na free mu a the potassium will stay in your blood and potassium being in your blood is very suicidal to you as simple as that into banana high level of potassium into what pressure wo bp a banana any kwan so di ni kese wetin crap amendi wo ho aba akupe bi no wadi wo bp a kube nsuo potassium wom manko nom kase kube nsuo na yese health na esi wo fridge
do obetimi aya a obeba ho ban e dey free sa yare no ho just say in fact obo edwuma pa these are some of the teachings.
Yesi wo didi aman no nsuo emboa wapomuden enye nokore metire mu video mu me pa cho uye obi a uye obolo pa kwan be enso na oso beti metire wo video mu naturally ena wa uye slim a odwin se yare bi entimi ma mu because uye slim obetimi de aduane bi a ope no eno so metire wo mu e video mu anhwe ya obetimi nya diabetes pressure abrana wonye ni pa kese ena nkura na ammo formulated aduane na omo nnom milk no time be na obetimi amasa akura no ensu anom like video no next Sunday Yeboah Agyekum Francis na me monitor de enti obi be ka se wodidi enum nsuo nyina ne se your acid bi wo your stomach a eboa ma aduane na yedi ne digest na nipaduane nya mu ahoden na aduane na wadi ni se bacteria bi wo ma sa acid ya atimi kuno your friend HCl hydrochloric acid me pa cho omo hu ni se onum nsuo was it na obe dilute sa acid in other words over acid na hoden abafom the pH of stomach eboa digestion 1.5 to 3.5 that is the pH into anything within this pH body ni betimi digest na stomach ni betimi digest aduane na properly na ekoboro sa akra mpo na nipaduane wo regulation na oboa ma acid na eba na ye more no compensate for that ade aye nka nkyerɛ ma wo hu a na Yeboah America kyerɛ wantim see like video any say obi a onim pH no from 0 to 14 before you bet me dilute stomach acid nessa I'm gonna increase by 1 to say bia 1.5 now you bet me dey 2.5 now you dey 3.5 that's 2 no you bet me dilute no just 1 a obenum nsuo 4 glass bako 10 you bet me dilute ni 2 a dey 3.5 na last regulated na at onom glass of water bako 20 bisa ho say why never be didi obenum nsuo glass 10 as we dey aduane no into ma ka asem ne yo na nkofo na dey video internet they don't really understand the concept you see into nipa ba ka say udidi enum so the truth is bisa nipa say wadi etoda wadi body eto mankani to wadi bida me pa cho ensuo na wonom no krampo san eboa digestion mama obi antum futuro ngu ani tie me ye Yeboah Agyekum Francis eboa digestion instead na yesi ni timase because when him say ensuo to me dilute acid na ensu dodo na betima dilute acid yan fa nka ho amma ho obetima no so gallon ba kwan so akodidi you see so there's always truth in what they are saying but the actual truth is hidden into who didi anom so kakra man no so bebre because man wotimi e bloated aduane kwampo wontimi ni kese mpato atemase eye no kwanti ni kwan se onum so wa asa odidi nti yan fa no nto nche mpato oyi nipa obolo na obetimi atew kese yeso aho opa ye exercise afifire na efi nipa duamu ba ne nkyerese wo so oti o eye nsuo sradeɛ sɛ yɛba wo nipadua ma ɛnenam nipadua no mu kwa yɛ kɔpɛ baabi de ne kɔsie ɔno nko a wɔ ne tissue yɛfrɛ no the adipose tissue yɛde kɔhyɛ wo honam no ase atwam wɔ skin no akɔ aseɛ nipa atɔ sɛ wokɔhyɛ sona mu anaa wokɔhyɛ baabi a mo a moyɛ heat bath o sɛ warm bath no woyɛ bibia heat bia no a in simple terms heat bia no ebetimi anane sradeɛ firi nipadua mu the only way you can burn sradeɛ from nipadua mu metabolism sɛ wo nipadua na ankasa ebe yisu sradeɛ no yɛkɔ adipose tissue na nipadua no fa pia afi wo be break sradeɛ no into two components yɛwɔ triglycerides na yɛwɔ glycerol na afi nipadua na juicy ama yɛ energy enti the only way ni sɛ aduane a wudi no wobɛte so sɛ wo body ni hia aduane calories no 20 na wudi 10 a the deficit no 10 na aka no ɔyɛkɔ akɔyɛ firi sradeɛ no naturally na aboa wokɔ gym kɔyɛ exercise team fifiri bi o wiase na wudi waduane one regulate waduane di a wo so nte because the enti a wo yɛ exercise wo nante wo tutu amerika ma so te ne sɛ eba sa metabolism wo soro onipadua no burning more fuel nti aduane na wadi ni sua and because wo body no burning more fuel na ohia energy bebre nti obekɔ fat cells no mu akɔfa bi de aba be so na oyi free fat cells no na fat no ɛkɔ yɛnom concoction ma yɛkɛse ɛnkɔ aduru abenom no sɛ ma kɛse akwa ne na aduru no ma wate waduane di so na ma wayɛ exercise do you get a clue mama obi antum futuru ngu ani me pato uye nipa fiafia ho ubetuma ye fiafia on the outside na mbom uye obolo on the inside ye frekese ye ni bia na srade ni bi visceral fat ma kyerɛkyerɛ mo da sɛ visceral fat no ene no ye kɔ mu organs na egu ye mu no bo sɛ srade afa ho nyinaa obi wɔ hɔ a ne kɛse ye man ho no matter aduane obedi hu na o skinny enkyerɛ sɛ wo no utim didi anytime ana utim didi rough kɛse no wɔ mu na mbom enam wo organs na wo yam no udi agora yare a nipa wo yɛ obolo bia betimi anya na kɛse de ba bia no wo betimi anya bi eni nti na obi yɛ afiafia wonya diabetes obi yɛ afiafia wonya pressure okora de ba ntem ɛna obi so betimi ayɛ obolo na onyare because bia na ne kɛse no eni ne yam ɛwɔ the subcutaneous in other words enam ne honam na se eno no yɛ na enhyɛ da nye hu to betimi hu so ɔtro de na mbom no yɛ healthy some of these things you let people know so that be yɛ nka bibia mmom mfuruga ase de yɛ kan yɛ kan nyina bom tu baako like video na ento aso me pa acho mo amomma bibi nti omuntimi nya breast milk a wo ma akra no formulated aduane bi a odi no so onya ni 6 months a on so the same thing man nsuo bi anom because aduane ade ma no nsuo kakra wom eye enough for the baby mani nintra 6 months eko asa wa sha ase introduce nsuo ama na ne ko nsuo na ade be ma no mani nya around 120 ml yakase 120 ml a pure tobacco 500 ml ntu che pure water mienu mu a abeye 250 half na o chem san che sa half no afi na wo ben 120 san suo na oba no betima no the whole day nti kakra bi ebi no mo twam 6 months no media na Yeboah Agyekum Francis
Ema bi kwa me hu se o ma teaching bi concerning kwadu ene nkatia o kire mu how a betim kura aboa ede aphrodisia boys na mo num nuro edi dwam no yes o kire mu how betiri kwadu nkatia kura aye ene o say how kwadu nkatia esi boost your immune system ema energy se esamo stamina
mame ma o life hack o ko job interview o ko visa interview o ye obi a uturo ni pa anim kasa o ko ye wedding so na ye bride o na ye groom Yeboah Agyekum Francis ni mame ntro Ghanaian food a o kan boma ebe magic obi be kasa wa kono madubone so na wo nu madubone bia like video na share ma obi me pato na nuane mienu a ye yisu eye banana ene granite na tieliye banana no ye nkofa de abere no banana no ye fa de embere kese pan no nya de ebunu so ebunu no kɔwe a wo minimum be ye ohene ndi fa de abere a ebetimi adi na mum emmere mremremre na wafa peanut na se granite nkate no wo fa man pɔ ho no mfiri ho wo se ara nkate wo ebi wo no ho man pɔ emfiri ho kwadu no betimi afa mienu na miensa na wasa nkate no wonsa no aka ho na wawe saa de wi na wo we saa de wi a ebe ma wo energy bi ma mentretrem kwadu contain mainly glucose and fructose na obi anim se glucose and fructose no ema energy ntem high energy tere wa akwakofa bibi energy drink no na enkate no e contain healthy fat na protein di saa de wi akwakoso energy na kwadu ni di aba no mama na che ewo mu kwadu na biem san contain potassium boy muscle contraction ti ba bia wo kɔ ne ya na internet movement bibra e be hia so muscle be fit e be boa saa de no ba bia wo kɔ no be nervous e wo so blood pressure no ba fom kakra kwadu contain potassium etimi lower blood pressure no kakra nti eno so kɔboa wo ho and the last na saa de we ba be ya ma obi be kasa wa fa dubɔne ni se kwadu etimi the neurotransmitters eba so ye kan neurotransmitters are a hormones no mo ye brain so hormone we brain no mo e friend neurotransmitter it is a neurotransmitters no ebe cause from mo boduma wadro neurotransmitter be a dopamine nti mo am no no bone dopamine am pese e kosoro saa de no be na kosoro because kwadu contain vitamin B6 nti ene nka te combo no e adubone be no wudi aban nche what must say food ebe ma high energy am wakodi ojuma na wokodi no ebetena wo yem ache na because na wo yem te se fufuo ni nti no wo be free se cause kwa na wabo mo maya mo hye ne mo pese mafu aye flat obi ahun pose wadidi na bom na wukura high energy a wodi di dwuma na wokwa kodi ni media na Yeboah Agyekum Francis
yes o chere ko nka tell me in fact na nice mo sakra be chere the health benefit of kosua eni mako just say edwuma wo ye
ene ma na ahwintasem bi adi nkyerɛw na ensan yarewa nyina me na wodi nkɔmɔ afa cuties and serena kase cuties and serena bebato ade we wote ase a ebetima agye nkwa ena na mekyerɛw mu ɛyɛ abɔde mu niema na nyame de asie nipa ne bi na Yeboah Agyekum Francis me de na di akyerɛw but kase cuties and serena ɛyɛ goosebumps anwisia goosebumps ade na bibi beto ana sɛ uyem hyewa na bibi agu ho mpopompo no friend goosebumps and one scientifically make kind of cuties and serena cuties HSS skin Latin word and serena no actually goose into Latin was akasa na goose skin goose bumps the kind of normal way no na saa de no ahwinta sem bi wom unya like video na natural so okwoti nkonkonsa bi wo ba bi fa ho a na wakoma kosoro se obi ka ho asem bi che se bi maame baifo ana obi ye obibi ana se ye ku wo honhom a aka 5 days na wabe wu a na ede ade bi abehye wo so ade bi a ebo ohu bia no e affect you emotionally uhu goosebumps a e ya hyenso de te sense we rainbow so ni rainbow so rainbow ba na sense oto a ento no e ya hyenso de nyame kire so on fan su nse wi ase bi uhu goosebumps a e ya hyenso de anyankopon ka kire say anything that affects you emotionally has physical consequences on your skin. Ade bi ebetimi affect you emotionally anipa ni hu kura yetimi yemfa emotional damage enye hwe ade ebetimi affect you emotionally bia no ohunam dua we e affect no physically me pato obi sugar betimi akosoro abra na onya nidiye because the person has been affected emotionally eno hu komo na nemidi de bia ye na aduane obi didi yiye na mo ni sugar level dina soro oba de hu sa ade no Yeboah edi hu nkomo wo ha ne share ma wo papa na wo hu bi mmerebe mu na obi nya goosebumps say oh yes spiritual encounter bi se bia wo after them na ya man nyum so worship utimi tuntum nyame saa na wo hu agu anwesia yetimi tuntum bi wo concert bi ase wo favorite artist nyum bi betimi abɔ na wo hu agu anwesia me pa cho ade bi ye ehu betimi awura fie bi na ehu atɔ so na wo hu agu anwesia betimi hu ade a wo mpɛ e bia mpoto bibra na sɛ aduane bi a aduane de mempɛ na wo hu agu anwesia na wesia no ba e woni ma bibra eye tete no na ye papa mu wonwi pa wo mo honamu na awo ho na ntoma nse da ni ho ti na ebua conserve heat enti se bia awo ba na bibi ni abo se o popose during cold unsa wesia go ebua ma nwi no tokro na da ho na mframa wo mi yesi ni nyina unwi bia o mazo bia esom sa mazo no contract a na manwi ni asore na ahono nti se etutu akoko fresh a on the way na ho na na ye no sa na goosebumps etie sa de na e protect ye ema yetimi ekura hyew awodew so body ni ye loose a so ni na bedwuna akọ sebe mema na hyew a awoba na amoa eketwa it's all to conserve heat so this one was also to conserve it na de enti a ye bo nwom a esan ba ne se daddy a kira wo se anytime a wo ye emotional bia no onipa bia we affect no directly enti so okotena ba bi na ye ka nkrofo ho nsem ye bo hu ba bia edi hu tai hye omu pa ukuru fon da no akofa no akohwe unim sa ware yesu ntimi mfi ase wani ko hu ade bi a ebetena wo so de wo blood pressure aba e de wo diabetes aba because wo blood sugar betimi agina soro abra wonya ni die ka kire obi se cuties and serena goosebumps na yenhwe kwan a goosebumps etimi fa yare e de ba wo fa ni padua ya ho ye wo central nervous system ena ye wo peripheral nervous system central nervous system ni ye brain and spinal cord ena boy etimi cancer bebre kire no under the peripheral nervous system no ye wo autonomic nervous system ena ye wo somatic nervous system somatic nervous system ni the control say u29 once wa na atim betumi 9 na matu me pagya me nsa na mapagya eno no yɛ somatic me wɔ so control but autonomic eno no me ni so control nti eno ankasa na ɛyɛ but under the autonomic nervous system no your sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system with the sympathetic nervous system no eno na control wakoma heartbeat say they be release certain hormones nti saa de no ho nkomo na ɛyɛ related to goosebumps and na yɛ di ho nkomo no but wotie me yie times no dos ba de buani gusu na follow me wa ha ya nyesa be confused see ato na say obi di ade bi ba na o yema shawal obi be wo second ya ato na wo nsema ye nyunyunu wakoma ebo ntentem e tro sa de bi esi woni paduam enti adekọ na wani ekoko hu no ebe activate o sympathetic nervous system, in other words fight or flight mode na saa de nyankopon ye se de be ya enka asem beto no ubenya glucose energy eba o mogya mbebre a na obetima utilize no wadwane but what must nka saa de na nyame be ye because wo hu asem oba na ko aboa ma heartbeat ni so akoso na akoma no bo ntete na wa supply enough oxygen so beautiful na mom wo de ye phone so na akohwe na nye ntokwa bia na akakoko nti wo mogya sugar na be gina soro wo mogya na wakoma so bo ntentem na eye persistent eye chronic eto so nne to aso chena na wakoti we na oyema hyew na omaka we na oyeze na we na eye o omse saman wo fie na omde nsem oyi na hunu aye wo fie mekirem mepe mrese nne kwa mrema mekire obusu ani wu na hunu no wodan ma mekire ade e kire enye spiritual mekire ade e kire why mekire mo ade no ade a na mekire wo nne ne se saa ade no betima ma wakoma pressure na akosoro ebetima ma o blood sugar akosoro na edidim na echa ebekwa kofa nyare wa ye ka ho asebse ye ntwe ho nnuane mu nyina nti watwe ho afra aduane nso na problem we aba nti firi ne ko emfa wo hwene nkohwehwea niema emfa ho ade bi anu se wo ni su control no don't even go and look for it man ko hwehwe baacho chaware no betene mu na watene mu di so wontene mu na wafrim na emmo wo nkwa ho ban e baacho so asem hye wo so a ya nya obi a ogini di na no nka why nya obi a ne ji at times se hye wo so kese a ene so ma wo problem no onu obi en discuss why obi a ogini di obetima ya oba obetima ya maame ya ahwe ni yi na nipa so nye na mo di mu nkomo kawakoma nti na akwa broche odan a obi tim ko je na okotiatim keke asema hye ne so anti okoro ha na o ties kese kotiam ana obetima ko forest na o tim kai na amade na hye ni mu no apiede no why they are doing that nko obi nkotua sika nko wura mu nkotiatim na me pa cho aye we nyina wie no na o de exercise aka ho exercise pe na etimi counter sympathetic nervous system. There was sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic do be fight or flight. Any page wakuma no na para no asan reverse wa back. So we exercises when problems here to see. We dey obi dey talk about before. We use your exercise during nsuo. We exercise we na wo dware. Take a deep breath. We say what's here zoom back to your normal. Saa o moja na engine asoro. O glucose engine asoro wakoma e mo ntentem na aboa o. Se obusu ani bi wu na wote ne nkan bi wakofu mu ofro wote sound ana wo so ogina baabi ye fresh ade no grief hallucination grief ye areho hallucination unu obi ti wiase ahụ o brain no maka se meka se shatawale aba wani so because shatawale picture imprinted in your head ma kire mo sa ade ne da wa hwe kohwe nti the same thing no nipa na ne tena wo ye wodo from loved one sa nipa kono wa adwen wo connections bi a neural connections bi a wa connect ama no nipa no wu a it will take some time for the brain to accept that this person is dead enti ubetimi akọ na nipa na kasa ma wate because there's still that connection there and it's real and say nipa no e kasa na obi be kasa wa ntehwe na so wate no kro wate the brain is doing that in a way to console you bagana yenimti oh saman be che no na asan de yemhye na omo mbese ka biagum na activate your sympathetic nervous system I feel blood sugar no ejina soro na o pressure so ejina soro
and ade kwa ko be je no ho ne se ofa ebi ase be kwadu ni nkate o kyerɛkyerɛ mu ema hu udi kwadu a ade akwadu kwa o mpadua ni mu ankasa no asa kyerɛ ade a enkate ekoye no wi a wa kyerɛ the combination no ni teaching there nyame anim no kure ni teaching eye guy
me pa cho kosua egg e wo se ye noa anse ye di ana se e wo se ye di ni mu no ebi mu ma twomanfo no mo bɔ kosua mu no na mo no pa cho eye suatra hwe ye no wa num kosua mu no biem obi akan obu kuma school for no yesi kosua heat kan protein na eye denatured nti wo protein ni nyina nti o nom ne mo no me pa cho ye ka se bibia ye denatured da school for mu ntie enkyere se aye destroyed e kyere se a change shape kosua mu no ye bɔ a ye trotrotro se wo no na aye sa ampesie denaturation na take place no eye sa state na onipa dua timi absorbing properly ebetumi anya be 90% of the protein in it. But what must say? Ebio kosua contain ade e friend Avaden. Sa Avaden na ewo kosua mu no. So one no a ekoso vitamin B7 sa emma vitamin B7 enye release to your body. Yeah, you need vitamin B7 and there's something biotin. So what is biotin? Biotin na eboa ye 3 nwa ho ode ne bibia no ewo kosua mu. Ono a na Avaden na broken down. So the be ya onkoso vitamin B7 which is the biotin no. Na wama wo kosua na odi na wanya biotin ewom. But what must say? Ebio kosua akukọ biri na ewo ho no etimi ma bacteria bi travel wo kosua no at times go eko inside. Your friend is salmonella. Sa salmonella no wan hwe ni yi a ebetimi ma wonya typhoid. Obi nya typhoid abo de ma no salmonella typhi. Nti kosua mo no kra betimi ma wonya typhoid. Nti nye suatra. Kosua ye nuance ye di. Denaturation doesn't mean the egg is destroyed. Media na Yeboah Agyekum Francis like video na share mo bi. Me pa cho me de mo be ko YouTube because me ye video na o ma yi afiri ho. Me ye video na o ma yi afiri. Nkofo timi ko post me video na o ma nya likes ni views kram passing me. Me nim how it's possible. Me de no na o ma yi afiri ho. I don't know what is going on. Nti mo nko YouTube Yeboah Agyekum Francis na obi anko subscribe it. What tell health ase organ ha what solve your problem half. Because feel adwum be fine ama decision na we take be why careful. Ne also wo di ne any kwan se wo di na abo ho ban. Nye sa be use ska to nduru any kwan se woto. Ana to be delay a wan to aduru no woni mrem. In as much as ye ka no aduru bi wa so to no woni mrem. Nti uhu health ana betima hu sa decision na be take no. Nti Yeboah Agyekum Francis, I'm here for you guys. Nyame go nsura no mo. God bless you.
And you know, on cabin fed new, or your biomedical scientist. Okra body krata, what cost to cool. What cost to cool our class certificate in biomedical science, or yeah, laboratory scientist, or yeah, obiakeke, Debbie, or no obias or their phone, and their research on the internet, egg cancer moon, Debbie, or nim their orca, walk on school. Walk on school, a certificate, and Wakasa, or nim their orca, or yeah, or say a self-taught trichologist, they say, only the Pekumasa, but just that what 2 months was or the intellectual about one my Ghana for. Nimdia ni nyansa ni tia kwaji ni school mo no on fan kwotena hospital bi nkoya adwuma ense kwa na mom no obe generalize no obe ma omamu nyina nyanso mfaso no ame enkyerechire. So it was in 23rd February 2026 ene hu ni say Yeboah Agyekum Francis ye no wo be ye video bi ana o din komo about breakfast and wo kire ade a aduan na Ghana fo nya betimi adi e be boa eye fri nyaro bebrebe mu e ho no e no kan semwi.
One of the best breakfast ubetimi adi a ebeyi yare bebre from cardiovascular diseases ne yare bebre I mean kesiye obesity yare a serious anoko odin escafo kwantimi nkono. You need just a breakfast me be catch osisi a ebeboa isa yare we nyina afi ho. Media na Yeboah Agyekum Francis. Na sa breakfast no ene say skip breakfast. Try and skip breakfast. Nipa kono hye to ho say didi anopa awi anyimre no. Then kaza skip breakfast. Skip breakfast. Yeah, the lunch. Nye ni bebrebe supper endi ni kese kakra bi before 5 p.m. Na hwe say yare bi ba so a media na Yeboah Agyekum Francis.
Ma later kwa sa be another video be chiremu e wo chiremu say oh or the condition by say onye obi a wuni maybe acid reflux onye ulcer patient obi a wuni gastritis wuni bia acid e wo system bu mo e betima cause irritation skipping breakfast na the best na sati chinwe no ana out of nowhere another health practitioner a din also do TikTok ne so DSMV ono so diabetes specialist nurse just ono so ya apomde dwuma ani a ohwe diabetes ho nsensem wan say o man kyerɛkyerɛ etufo o kyerɛ o diabetes ano ono so abedin ko kyerɛm sɛ da bi ensem na Yeboah Agyekum Francis e kan say yen skip breakfast ne de enya no kreda na yentie no
best breakfast enye say we skip breakfast. Your baby treatment. Your friend me DSNB, me a diabetes specialist nurse. Breakfast any day. Breakfast your first meal already after a long period of fasting. Normally overnight until udidi enumeria or sorry anopa or first meal your breakfast because sometimes no you long period of fasting. Didi bia uhia insulin to control your sugar level. Your friend baby autophagy. Autophagy just means self-eating. Auto means self-phagy eating. Into self-eating. Autophagy your body no own way of repairing itself. Say new food ember on board, that is a we need it for some time. Our body needs to switch it from storing energy, glucose no, to repairing itself. Now so process eboa ema our body no repair damaged cells. Eboa ma reduce inflammation. That is a ahono so ema sote. Now so what diabetes ni pre-diabetes ni insulin resistance no so autophagy no eboa ema o pancreas enya home esan say insulin demand ni lower. Ena ema we more sensitive to insulin. Ena eboa ema sugar levels no eba down naturally. Enti yenhwe wudidia from time abedi no to the next 2 hours. Eden nesi. First 2 hours near digestion phase. Normally, udi carbohydrate food are broken down into sugar. Sugar na ni kwanse etna umujem e wose e cells na unya energy. O body need detect say o sugar level na rise. This answer we did na organ your friend pancreas it release insulin. Na insulin adwuma ne say if I see training feel mujem na call cells no when your energy. Second phase from 2 to 4 hours time. Sa phase near absorption and storage phase. Samre no esitwe na abem no esan say wadidi no it gets absorbed. Inti abasa excess glucose no your body ni store no as fat. Na sa period insulin levels drop it because glucose no is being absorbed into insulin levels ne drop it. But one China surface we in now sound could it be ma can who say anytime carbohydrate be on board no insulin level equestro na itimi control sugar na eba on board no. Ti one China we in tremwa osan start process ni biem na insulin levels no as stay high but yempesa insulin levels ni be stay high because they no cause insulin resistance. 4 to 6 hours time insulin level no low. A situation level ni drop it. As I say, we need for about 4 to 6 hours. Into storage na ewo no, our body no starts using it. Now from 8 to 12 hours time no, insulin level ni drop it because sugar be amba board. A fat burning stage. Excess glucose na ya store no as fat no. Our body ni started burning fat for energy. 12 to 16 hours time no, na autophagy no started. Our body no in full burning fat mode. No glucose is coming on board. And no obey more sensitive to insulin. And my insulin demand no less. And we a very good stage for reversing insulin resistance. After 16 hours, a deep autophagy stage. Our body no repairs inflammation very good. Until you are looking to lose weight. So after 16 hours fast no, something you should consider often in a week. I also who said during this stage you can still drink water. Ubetimi anumunsi you. Ain't in a crack saying the crack say best breakfast 18 16 hours after your last meal. Inti endra udi dinner 6 p.m. You can say udidi before 12. However, we will be udidi later. Even so udidi around our last meal was around 10 p.m. Calculate 16 hours from there. Because a wadrin say was KP breakfast, but okwa could do lunch 12 o'clock. Still, achieve autophagy. Autophagy as soon as so emma yem body in reversing insulin resistance, pre-diabetes and diabetes. Into the ball is in your court. Most importantly, no, baby break you faster na and carbohydrates in breaking. Breaking on with fiber, protein, and some way carbohydrates. With the kind of carbohydrates I best spike you sugar up. The patch kind who say and you be no bit me I fasten ye. It be more homo diabetes, omunruno, and who he has omudidi and sana or mafenruno. Inti or diabetes now will know so require you to eat up and no healthcare professional in casa. And abia 16 hours any amount will be to me 12 hours. Nano monsieur more. If I'm a DSNV, you're essential.
Eja busia. Yeboah Agyekum Francis actually mu say yes skip breakfast. Ebe boy ye finya ro bebrebe mu. But I'm on the condition to just say only ulcer, let's only condition be able ma stomach irritation and skipping breakfast na the best. But DSMV is actually say anya no kre. The Yeboah air can o tun futuro edigu Ghana for no any. What so wadwen any say. Shegu comment section one more efa mame. I PENYAH Media. Accra.